Average and RMS values of sinusoidal waveform. Okay, this is the sinusoidal waveform. These are the different type of instant: 0 degrees, pi by 2 degrees, and pi, 3 pi by 2, and 2 pi. Okay, this is called maximum value Vm, and so negative side maximum value minus Vm. Okay, so what is the scale of this waveform? What is the scale of this waveform? For find the RMS value, so we require V square. Okay, 1 by t integral 0 to t V square of t into dt now for RMS value. So what is the V square of this waveform? Scale of this waveform. This scale of this waveform is nothing but minus Vm square is nothing but plus Vm. So that means the waveform is completely shifted to for positive side. Okay, there is no negative values here. There is no negative values. That means this negative values are shifted to positive side like this. So we will get the waveform like this. Okay, 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Okay, so the waveform is shifted to positive side. So like this. So Vm square, there is the magnitude of the here Vm. So but here Vm square. So middle is Vm square by 2 and negative 0. Okay. So this color, so minus 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2. This is the scale of the sinusoidal waveform. This is the actual waveform, actual sinusoidal waveform. By scale of this waveform, so we get like this now. Okay, scale of sinusoidal waveform. So this waveform, sinusoidal voltage waveform. So first one is voltage waveform, generally voltage waveform. Okay, that is called AC, and scale of this voltage waveform will become like this. Okay, scale of the voltage waveform V scale is equal to like this. Okay, 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, and the maximum Vm scale, and this is called Vm scale by 2, and it is called 0. We get like this now. So as shown earlier, so normally the voltage generated, the voltage generated by using Mallory explained previous lecture, by using generators, which also transmitted and then distributed to the consumer. Okay, is the sinusoidal waveform of frequency, our Indian standard frequency, 50 Hz. 50 Hz in our country. Okay, the waveform of the voltage V of t and the scale of waveform V scale of t are shown, already shown here. This is called scale of the V scale of t, and this is called V of t. The standard frequency is called 50 Hz only. So according to our Indian standard frequency, okay, 50 Hz. So here time period is equal to t. You know, well, time period is t is equal to 1 by f. Okay, frequency and time period is inversely proportional. T is equal to 1 by f, and then so that is equal to 2 pi by omega. Understand? T is equal to 1 by f, and then it is equal to 2 pi by omega. T is equal to 2 pi by omega. Okay, the relation between time period and frequency in radians, so is nothing but t is equal to 2 pi by omega. In angle, theta is nothing but omega t. Theta is equal to omega t. Angle here, this is called omega t. Theta is equal to omega t. So omega t is equal to 2 pi. That is called 360 degrees. Okay, 2 pi is equal to 360 degrees up to here. This is the complete cycle. Okay, so here positive side, positive 0, negative is called one cycle. Positive 0, negative is called one cycle. Here up to 0 to 2 pi is called one cycle. Okay, one cycle is equal to theta is equal to omega t. So omega t is equal to 2 pi. Up to here, this is called time period, one cycle. Up to here 0 to 2 pi is nothing but time period, that is equal to t. Understood? And t is equal to 1 by f, and that is equal to 2 pi by omega. Okay, in angle theta is equal to omega t. In angle theta is equal to omega t. Omega t is equal to 2 pi. Okay, so for this is for time period, and then half time period is nothing but t by 2. Half time period is nothing but 0 to pi only. 0 to pi is nothing but half time period, and remaining time period pi to 2 pi. So half time period is called positive, and the remaining after period is called negative for average value. So for this is for we have to take the average value only half time period only. Okay, if you have to consider two periods, 0 to pi and pi to 2 pi, and then the average value becomes 0. That's why we have to take only half cycle. Okay, to calculate the average value to we have to take only half cycle, that is called T by 2 only. But RMS value, complete cycle, the complete cycle, so that is nothing but up to 2 pi. Okay, so V scale. So that is here negative values. These are the negative values are shifted towards the positive side. Okay, pi to 2 pi, pi to 2 pi, pi to 2 pi are, these all are negative values. So V scale, negative V scale is nothing but positive. So you get it positive like this. Okay, so like up to 0 to pi, so up to 0 to pi positive side, scale of this positive voltage become so like this. Then so here scale means increases the magnitude. Okay, there is no changes in phase. There is no changes in phase here. 0 to pi, and here also 0 to pi only, and pi to 2 pi. Here is also pi to 2 pi. Time period is not changing, but only, so what is changing here? Magnitude of this waveform. Okay, for example, here 5. So 5 scale is nothing but 25. You will get 25. That is called only magnitude, voltage magnitude is changing, and also this magnitude, this voltage magnitude is completely positive side only, completely positive side. So that will become a DC. So if it is a negative, that is nothing but AC. Okay, so for an uptime period, T is by 2. Uptime period is nothing but T by 2. No? So up to 0 to 2 pi is called time period. So here to 0 to 2 pi is called time period. After T period is nothing but T by 2 is nothing but 0 to pi only. So this is called T by 2. Up to 0 to pi is called T by 2. And then after T period, T by 2 is equal to 1 by 2f. F is equal to T is equal to 1 by f. Substitute here T is equal to 1 by f means 1 by 2f. Then so then this is equal to the pi by omega. Actually, so, for full cycle, okay, T is equal to 2 pi by omega. For half time period, T is equal to pi by omega. Then in angle, omega T by 2. Okay, for half time period, okay, omega T by 2, no, that is equal to pi. Okay, so this is called, to pi is called half time period. In angle pi, in the time period T by 2. Okay, in time period T by 2 up to here. Okay, the 0 to pi is nothing but, so in angle, and the 0 to pi is equal to T, that is T by 2, that is called half time period. Okay, so you know, well, we have T is equal to Vm sin omega t. This is called sinusoidal waveform. We have T is equal to Vm sin omega t. 0 less than theta less than pi less than equal theta less than equal to 0 for V of T is equal, that is, and V of T is equal to Vm sin omega t for pi by omega less than or equal to T less than or equal to 0. This is for an angle, this is for a time period. Okay, pi by omega less than or equal to T less than or equal to 0. Okay, in angle pi less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 0. Then what is the average value? You know formula. So to calculate the average value, V average is equal to 1 by pi. That's called 1 by T integral 0 to T V of T. No? Average value of, so what is the equation of average value? V average is equal to 1 by T integral 0 to T V of T into dt. So for time period pi is equal to pi. No? So that is nothing but V average is equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to pi V of T into dt. For average value, we have to take only half cycle. Okay, 0 to pi only. So that's why average is equal to V average is equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to pi V of theta into d theta, that is equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to pi. V of theta is nothing but Vm sin theta into d theta, and substitute here and integrate, and so you will get V average is equal to 2 by pi into Vm. So that is equal to 0.637 Vm. This is for average value of sinusoidal waveform. And then, so we have to find RMS value of sinusoidal waveform. Same way. So RMS value you know well. RMS is equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to pi V square into theta into 1 to the power 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is nothing but square root, RMS value. Square root of 1 by pi integral 0 to pi V square into d theta is called RMS value. You know well formula, RMS value formula, and it is called average value formula. Okay, then VRMS is equal to 1 by square root of 1 by pi integral 0 to pi V square of T square into dt. Okay, then 1 by pi integral 0 to pi. Okay, Vm square into sin square into theta, substitute here. V of T is equal to this equation, then you will get, so Vm square divided by pi into, so integrate this column, sin square theta is column, 1 is cos 2 theta by 2. So substitute here and simplify. We'll get VRMS is equal to 0.707 times of Vm. That is called root 2, 1 by root 2 then. Vm by root 2. Okay, then V is equal, Vm is equal to maximum value is equal to root 2 times of RMS value. maximum value is equal to root 2 times of RMS value. V is called RMS value of sinusoidal waveform. Okay, so VRMS is equal to Vm by root 2. Na? So for sinusoidal waveform, what is the average value? 2 Vm by pi. For sinusoidal waveform, the average value is nothing but 2 Vm by pi. For RMS value, Vm by root. VRMS is equal to Vm by root 2. V average is equal to 2 Vm by pi. So remember these formulas. Okay, for maybe 2 marks question, so ask later. What is the average value of sinusoidal waveform, given sinusoidal waveform? What if find the RMS value of sinusoidal waveform, like that? You know, if you know the maximum value, substitute directly 2 by pi into Vm, so then you will get the average value. You know this maximum value, then you can easily find the RMS value. VRMS is equal to Vm by 0.707 times Vm. Okay, this is for average value and RMS value of sinusoidal waveform. Okay, if time t is used as a variable instead of angle theta, so substitute here PV average is equal to 1 by pi by omega. That is called time period. Pi by omega is equal to 0 to pi by omega. Okay, it's called pi by omega time period, half time period. For average half time period, pi by omega. Substitute this pi by omega here. 1 by t is nothing but half time period. So that's called t by 2. 1 by t by 2 is equal to 0 to 2 by 2 v of t. So v average is equal to 1 by pi by omega. Equal 0 to pi by omega v of t. Substitute here, you will get the number for time period. So 0.637 Vm. Okay. In the same way, the RMS value can be determined. Okay. So by substituting the time period, also you will get the angle or time period. Both way can easily find the time period, RMS value, RMS average value. Okay. If the average value of the above waveform is computed over a time period of t, if the, for example, average value of the above waveform is computed over the time period t, it is comes out as 0. Okay, if you are consider for average value for total time period, the average value will become 0. Why? Because the area of first positive half cycle is same as that of the second negative half cycle. The area under the first half cycle is this was 0 to pi, same as the second half cycle, pi to 2 pi. That's why the resultant average value will become 0, but not in RMS value. Okay. So if the average value of the above waveform, that's called sinusoidal waveform, is computed over the time period t, it is comes under 0 as first positive and second half cycle is negative, and then resultant will become 0. That's why second is half cycle, negative half cycle. So however, the RMS value remains same, but because of we are taken a scale of the voltage, V square of t. That's why. So that's why the RMS value is not become 0. However, the RMS value remains same if it is computed over the total time period. Okay, if it is computed over the total time period or time period, is the RMS value is same, but average value will become 0 for considering total time period. Okay, so that's why. So we have to consider only half time period to calculate the average value of sinusoidal wave. So for different factors as dependent, you know, well, I'm already explained form factor. Form factor is equal to RMS value by average value. Okay, RMS value is equal to Vm by root 2 now. VRMS is equal to Vm by root 2, that is called 0.707 times of Vm. Then average value is equal to 2 Vm by pi. RMS average value is equal to 2 Vm by pi, that is equal to 0.637 times of Vm. And RMS value 0.707 times of Vm. Then form factor is equal to RMS value by average value. RMS value is nothing but 0.707, that is called Vm by root 2 by 2 Vm by pi. So then calculate, then you will get 1.11 times form factor for sinusoidal waveform. Okay, 1.11. And then peak factor, that is called crest factor. Peak factor or crest factor, I'm already explained definitions. Okay, peak factor is equal to maximum value by average value. So maximum value is nothing but Vm, and then average value is nothing but, so average value is equal to 0.707 times of Vm. Okay, then you will get so 1.414. Peak factor is equal to maximum value by, so peak factor is equal to maximum value by RMS value. Okay, peak factor is equal to maximum value by RMS value, then Vm divided by, so 0.707 times of Vm. It's equal to 1.414. So the RMS value is always greater than the average value. Okay, this is called peak factor, this is called form factor, and this the RMS value is always greater than that of the average value. Okay, so except for a rectangular waveform, except for a rectangular waveform. Okay, RMS value is always greater than the average value, except for a rectangular waveform. So because of rectangular waveform, both are same. In which case, heating effect remains constant, so that average and RMS values are same. Okay, for rectangular waveform, RMS value, average value, both are same. Okay. Generally, the RMS value is always greater than that of the average. Okay. For example, okay. For example, so the example of two waveforms as given a periodic nature. So these are the two waveforms. The triangular of current waveform. This is called a triangular waveform 0 to t and 2 to t. This is the triangular waveform, triangular current waveform. This is called maximum value Im. Okay. So current in x-axis and time period in y-axis. So what is the time period here? 0 to t1. So because of the t to 2 to t, the time period is repeating. You know? The waveform is repeating 0 to t and then t to 2t and 2 to 3t. The waveform is repeating. That's why take up to time period is called 0 to t1. Consider time period 0 to t. So don't consider 0 to 2t. Why? Because the waveform is again repeating t onwards. Okay, 0 to t is okay, and t to 2t and the waveform is repeating, and 2 to 3t and the waveform again repeating. That's why only consider so only one cycle, that is called. So this only pass to 0 to t only. Don't consider 0 to 2t because this already waveform is repeated. So okay, that's why so only consider 0 to t. So what is the so I of t is equal to Im into t by t. Im into t by t. This is called the slope of the this is called a triangular waveform slope. So Im into t by t. For t less than or equal to t capital T less than or equal to small t less than or equal to between 0 to t. In between so Im into t by t. So this is the I of t expression. Okay. So 0 to t. So you will have to calculate here 0 comma 0 and t comma Im. So 0 comma 0 here coordinates are. What is the coordinates here? 0 comma 0. So what is here? T comma Im, x t y Im. Then x1 y1 x2 y2. You know well how to find the slope y2 minus y1 by y1 y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. You know well how to find the slope of the curve. Okay. So I have t is equal to Im by t into t. So this is the waveform expression for this. And then, so what is the average value? How to calculate the average value? What is the formula? 1 by t integral 0 to t I of t into dt. Now 1 by t integral 0 to t. Okay, 1 by t integral 0 to t I of t into dt. This is called the formula of average. So 1 by t is as it is, 0 to t is over, and I of t is nothing but so Im into t by t. So you know well how to find this I of t expression 0 comma 0 t comma xm. So by using this find slope of this curve. So the slope of this curve is nothing but expression. So I of t is equal to Im into t by t, small t by capital T, and then substitute here and then integrate this two. You will get 0.5 times of Im. This is for I average for this triangular waveform. For this triangular waveform, this is the average value. So Im by 2. Okay, Im by 2, that is nothing but 0.5 times of Im. This is called average value of this triangular waveform. And then RMS value, I is equal to, you know, well, square root of 1 by t integral 0 to t I square into dt now. For RMS, how to calculate the RMS value of this waveform means by using this expression, you know well. So RMS value expression formula, IRMS is equal to square root of 1 by t integral 0 to t I square into dt. So substitute here I of t expression here, then Im square into t square divided by capital T square. Substitute by substituting this I of t expression. So on this we get 1 by t integral 0 to t Im square into t square divided by t square into dt. So then simplify this expression, you will get Im by root. IRMS is equal to Im by root. That is called 0.577 times of Im. Is it clear? For triangular waveform, I average for this triangular waveform. Okay, 0.5 times of Im. and this is called average value, and this is for RMS value. RMS is equal to Im by root 3 for triangular waveform. It's clear? So then two factors of the waveform are form factor is equal to RMS value by average value, and P factor is equal to maximum value by average value. Okay. So form factor is equal to RMS value by average value. That is equal to RMS value is nothing but 0.5773 times of Im. This is called RMS value by average value, 0.5 times of average. Average is equal to 0.5 times. So substitute here, we'll get 1.1547. This is for form factor for triangular waveform, and then peak factor, maximum value by average value. Maximum value is called Im, and the average value is called 0.5 times of Im, and then we will get 2. So 2 is 2.0. So this is the peak factor, and this is the form factor. Okay, so to note that the form factor is slightly higher than that of for sinusoidal waveform. What is the form factor of sinusoidal waveform? 1.11. 1.11 for sinusoidal waveform form factor. But here form factor of triangular waveform 1.1547. Okay, so to know that the form factor is slightly higher than that, but for sinusoidal waveform 1.11 only, but the triangular waveform 1.1547, slightly higher than that of the sinusoidal waveform. While P factor is much higher. Here 2. P factor is nothing but here much higher, that is equal to 2. Here for sinusoidal waveform, peak factor is equal to 1.414. Okay, 1.414. This is called peak factor. Okay. So this is for RMS value, for average value of and form factor and peak factor. Okay, so this is very, very important. In your exam, external exam may ask compulsory one question will be there in the external exam based on these waveforms. Find the average value, RMS value, form factor, peak factor. So like this. Okay. So next, trapezoidal waveform. Trapezoidal waveform. All of you take this. All of you take this diagram and trapezoidal waveform. Find the RMS value, average value, and form factor, peak factor. Okay. For this trapezoidal waveform, so here 0 to 4 is called positive half cycle, and 4 to 8 is called negative half cycle. So what is the time period here? 8 seconds. 8 seconds is called up to year is called 0 to 8 in seconds. So 0 to 8 is called time period of this trapezoidal waveform, trapezoidal voltage waveform. So maximum value +5 and minimum value is -5. Okay, for this trapezoidal waveform, what is the time period here? Time period t is equal to 8 milliseconds. Okay. Yeah, actually the time period is time t is equal to 8 milliseconds, and some solution is taken milliseconds. Okay. So okay, this time in milliseconds, maybe seconds, milliseconds. Okay, then time period is t is equal to 8 milliseconds up to 0 to 8. Okay, and half time period t by 2 now, that is called 4 milliseconds. Okay, so this printing mistake I did in milliseconds. Okay, so 0 to 8 is called time period, and 0 to 4 is called half of the time period, of time period t by 2. So then, so we have t is equal to m into d, that is called slope. So for this in between 0 less than or equal to 1, between 0 and 1, in between 0 and 1. Okay, in between 0 and 1, what is the slope here? What is the slope here? So 0, 0 and 1, 5. Here 0, 0 and 1, 5. X-axis 1, y-axis 5. So find the slope here. So we will get 5 by 1. Okay, 5 minus 0 by 1 minus 0. Okay, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Then we have t is equal to 5 by 1 into t. This is called a slope, triangular waveform. Okay, this is called a ramp function. No, well, this is called, generally this is called ramp. Okay, slope increasing. Okay, so that is equal to 5t for 1 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 0. In this time period, this is the expression. And what is the 1 to 3? No? So it's constant. In between 1 to 3 time period, 3 minus 1 means up to 2 milliseconds. Okay, here 1 to 2 milliseconds. This is voltage is constant. That is called phi only. So V of t is equal to pi for 3 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 1. Between 1 and 3, between 1 and 3, this is called so V of t is called pi for constant. And then similarly, find the time period 3 to 4. So I find the slope here. What is the coordinates here? 3 comma 5. Here what is the coordinates here? 3 comma 5, and here 4 comma 0. X axis 4, y axis 0. So 3 comma 5 and 4 comma 0. So x1 y1 x2 y2 by using the relation. So I find its slope y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So we'll get 5 into 4 minus t for 4 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 3. So understood? For this time, for this slope, this is the expression 5 into 4 minus t for 4 less than or equal to t less than 3. So for in between 0 to 1, so 5 by 1, that is called only 5t, and in between 1 to 3, so only constant 5, in between 3 to 4, so 5 into 4 minus t, 4 minus t, 5. So these are the so expressions for different time periods. Okay, and then please note that the time is in milliseconds and the slope m is in also volts per milliseconds. Okay, time is in milliseconds. Printing mistakes, take here time t milliseconds. Time in milliseconds and slope also. Okay, and slope m is in volts per milliseconds. Also to be noted that as in the case of sinusoidal waveform, only half time period is taken here for the computation of average the RMS values. So V average is equal to 1 by t by 2 is equal to 0 to t by 2 for half time period. So average value. Okay. So for average value for complete full cycle, so what happened here? So this is the for positive cycle, this is for negative cycle, and then complete will become cancel each other and then equal to negative 0. You are considered full cycle. That's why don't consider full cycle. So only half cycle. V average is equal to 1 by t by 2, equal 0 to t by 2. So we have t. So t average that is called 8 by 2, that is called 4. So 1 by 4 integral 0 to 1 in between. No? So in between 0 to 1. No? So we have to find the average value. So that is called pi t. No? Triangular. It's a slope increasing. It's a ramp function. So pi t. 1 by t integral 0 to 1 pi t to dt. And then in between 1 and 3, only constant. In between 1 and 3, only constant. That is called 5. That's why 5 into dt. 1, 2, 3, only 5 into dt. And then between 3 and 4, so this is the expression. So 5 into 4 minus t into dt. 5 into 4 minus t into dt. And integrate this expression, then V average is equal to 3.75 times of voltage. So integrate this complete expression and we will get so complete voltage V average voltage waveform V average is equal to 3.75 volts. Okay, V average is equal to 3.75 volts. And then RMS value, how to calculate the RMS value? So RMS value is equal to 1 by t by 2 integral 0 to t by 2 V square into dt. Am I right? So square root of, so that is called 1 by 2. So V is equal to 1 by t by 2 integral 0 to t by 2 V square into dt. And then same way substitute different time periods. So 1 to 0 in between 1 and 0 5t, in between the 3 and 1 5, in between 4 and 3 5 into 4 minus t. Substitute in these expressions. Okay, so 1 by 4 integral 0 to 1 and 5t scale, and integral 1 to 3 pi scale into dt, integral 3 to 4 pi into 4 minus t whole scale. So whole scale 5 into 4 minus t whole scale is here 25. Okay, don't consider only 5. Printing mistake. Pi scale into 4 minus t whole scale into dt. To the power of 1 by 2. Okay. So then 25 into 4 minus t square into dt. So like this. And then apply integrations on this expression, and we will get finally RMS value is equal to 4.0825 volts. This is called the average value, and this is called RMS value. So average value is equal to 3.75, the RMS value is equal to 4.0825 volts. Then you know well two factors, prime factor and peak factor. Prime factor is equal to RMS value by average value. RMS value is equal to 4.0825. This is called RMS value, and average value 3.75. Substitute here, we will get 1.0887. This is called prime factor, and peak factor, maximum value by average value. Peak factor is equal to maximum value by average value. So maximum value is equal to 5. It's called 5. Here maximum value is called 5. Okay, and then maximum value is 5 by, and average value that is called 3.75. So average value 3.75. Substitute here, and you will get 1.333 hours. So there is. Okay, this is called prime factor and peak factor. So try to consider here. To note that both the above factors are slightly lower than those for sinusoidal waveform. Okay, sinusoidal prime factor for sinusoidal waveform 1.11, peak factor is equal to 1.414. Okay, for sinusoidal waveform, that means here for trapezoidal waveform, prime factor and peak factors are slightly less than the sinusoidal waveform. Compared to sinusoidal waveform, prime factor and peak factors are less than that sinusoidal waveform. Similarly, the average and RMS effective values of periodic voltage and current waveforms can be computed. Similarly, so we will get the same way for voltage and current. Similarly, the average and RMS values, periodic voltage or current waveforms can be. Okay, so this is the about RMS value and average value, prime factor, peak factor. By using waveforms, how to find the RMS value, average value, prime factor, peak factor by using waveforms. Okay, and then so some problems regarding. So all of you take this is called assignment problem. Determine the average and root mean scale. That's called RMS value of the following waveforms, and also find the prime factor, peak factor. Determine the average and root mean scales. That's called RMS value. Determine the average and RMS value for the following waveforms, and also prime factor, peak factor. Prime factor, peak factor for this waveform A. So what is the time period here? Respond anyone. So what is the time period here? 0 to t by 2 or t? Determine the average and RMS waveform. What is the time period here? For this waveform, what is the time period? What is the cycle? What is the full cycle? 0 to t by 2 or 0 to t? So your time period is nothing but 0 to t. So time period, total time period is nothing but 0 to t. Okay, and then t to 2t, another time period. This waveform is repeating. So 0 to t by 2 t. So 0 to t is called total time period. 0 to t. 0 to first obstacle 0 to t by 2, and remaining obstacle t by 2 to t. So here remaining t by 2 to t 0. Okay, so that is nothing but for to find the RMS value. So take full cycle. So that is called so 0 to t only for full cycle, 0 to t. So this is the time period of this waveform. And here, so what is the time period here? What is the time period of this waveform? What is the full time total time period of this waveform? What is the time period of this waveform? 0 to pi by 2 or 0 to pi or 0 to 3 pi by 6? So what is the time period here? What is the total time period of this waveform? So only one difficulty is to find the total time period. Okay, if you know the total time period, so then you will get the answer easily. If you don't know how to find the total time period, so 0 to pi by 2 or 0 to pi, there is a confusion. What is the time period here? So 0 to pi by 2 or 0 to pi or 0 to 3 pi by 6 or so make it confusion very easy. So if you find, if you know the how to find the time period, then easy problem. To solve this problem is very easy if you know the time period. By substituting these values, and you will get the results. So what is the time period here? Anyone? What is the time period in this triangular waveform? What is the time period in this triangular waveform? In this waveform, total time period. Zero to 1 or 0 to 2 or 0 to 3. So 0 to 3 is called the total time period of this triangular waveform. So find the RMS value. Take 0 to 3 is called total time period of this waveform. Okay, so 0 to 3, and this waveform is repeating 0 to 3 afterward 3 to 6, 6 to after some time. Okay, like this. 0 to 3, 6 to 9. So like this, the waveform is repeating. Okay, don't consider 0 to 2. Okay, 0 to 2. Consider 0 to 3. Okay, because of this waveform is repeating again 3 onwards. Okay, 3 onwards, 3 to 6. Here the time period 0 to 3 and 3 to 6. So like this. Take the time period of this waveform like this. Okay, so this